Alright, so I was going to go over these last two problems that either we didn't get to in class or it was kind of quick. Letter G in the examples. So this is division. They have the same radical, like same index, so I'm allowed to actually divide them first off. So I'm going to leave the 5 and the 2 right here. I am going to put a cube root in both places, just in case I have something left. 162 divided by 3. So 162 does divide by 3. It makes 54. That goes up top. y5 and y2 come out to y3 because you divide, you subtract the exponents. So it turns out I really didn't need this at all. But now it's my job to go ahead and reduce this inside here. So I'm going to put 54 over to the side. 9 times 6, 3 and 3, and then 3 and 2. So look, I have a group of 3's. I want 3 of them because like this is a cube root. So I'm going to be bringing a 3 out. Well, there's already a 5 there. So 3 times 5 is 15. I'll leave a little space and put my cube root back. There's a 2 inside. Alright, and let's see, 3 goes into 3 one time, so a y comes out, no y's left. And down below there's a 2, and that's finished. You cannot reduce these right here because this is outside, that's inside. You cannot mix those together. Alright, and then on to letter E. So letter E, I have a problem because this is a cube root and this is a square root, so I can't do anything right now. I have to work the top out, work the bottom out, and then we'll see what happens. Alright, so 40, I'm going to write that over here. I got 4 and 10, 4 is 2 and 2, and 10 is 5 and 2. So I got a pair of 2's. So I bring a 2 out, there's already a 4 there, so that makes 8. And put a 10 back in. Leave a little space for the rest of your things. Oh no, wait a minute. It's a cube root, so I have to use this 2 also. So actually I'll bring all these 2's out, which means I only have a 5 inside left over. So I'm still bringing a 2 out. 2 times 4 is 8, but there's a 5 left inside because I had to use that extra 2 for my group. Alright, so 3 goes into 7 twice with 1 left over. And 3 goes into 10 3 times with 1 left over. Alright, now on the bottom, I don't need to break down 36. I know the square root of 36 is 6. And 2 goes into 10 5 times, and 2 goes into 4 twice. So notice the radical, everything's out of the radical. So now, anything that's up here out of the radical and down here out of the radical, I can go ahead and reduce. So, new fraction, 8 and 6 reduced to 4/3 if you divide by 2. A2 and A5, so 2 minus 5 is -3, so that means I'm going to have 8 1/3 on the bottom. B3 and B2 means I'm subtracting to 1, so I have a B left here. So that's all this part in the front reduced, and then the radical just sits there. I was done with that earlier. Okay, so there's your answer for that one. Okay, that is it. I'll see you in class. Bye-bye.